What's going on over here?
Oh, honey, I gave Tommy an early birthday present.
Mom's having an affair.
Wait, what?
Yep. I came home early the other day and caught her in the bathroom with the plumber.
It's not true.
What the hell is he talking about?
I don't know.
You don't?
100% right. I was having an affair. But, honey, this doesn't mean I don't love your dad. This is just a little hiccup in your dad's and my relationship. It was just a one-time thing, I promise. What if I give you some money?
Excuse me?
A couple $100 to stay quiet?
She thought I would keep quiet for some money, but I'm with you, Dad. Thanks for the early birthday gift.
I don't know what makes you a worse human being. The fact that you're having an affair on me? Or the fact that you got caught bribing our son with cash to keep quiet? You ought to be ashamed of yourself. What kind of mother are you? And I'd ask if you're sorry for cheating or getting caught, but you got caught bribing our son with cash, so that gives me the answer. What's his name?
Terrence.
Who?
Terrence.
Terrence. My coworker, Terrence. Well, luckily I got the promotion I was asking for. So Terrence is now an employee of mine. And now technically, Terrence is fired. Do you want to tell him yourself, or should I do it?
I'll never see him again. I swear.
There's no need to make promises like that. We're done. You can do whatever you want now.